first time?
Yes.
Goedemorgen scouts, welkom terug op mijn channel, whatever. Here welcome back to my YouTube channel, whatever. And today we're going to be exploring Trinidad and Tobago, so make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into the video. Here, it was interesting because Shola and I barely slept the night before. We were helping Kelsey, you know, pack up and get ready to leave because her flight was the next day. And so we went across to her residence or whatever, and we're helping pack up boxes or whatever. And I think we got back home at like 1 o'clock. So yeah, and then Kelsey had to wake up at like 5 or so to head out for her flight. So that's the kind of morning that we had. And then my sister came and she was like, do you guys want to come to volleyball with me? And we're like, okay. So we ended up going. So here we are at the volleyball game, having a good time though. It was great. Okay, so this is a little fit check in the next clip. And then my grandmother and I, we went to Eastgates to run a couple errands and then get some lunch. So yeah. Hey guys, so I'm with my grandmother today. This is the outfit of the day. Anyway, so I'm with my grandmother today. We're gonna go do a little bit of shopping. This should be fun. Annie and I here, we went on our little Eastgate adventures. Little home shopping and lunch and stuff. The burger that you saw in the previous clip is from Fuse. It is so good. I think it's called the French Toast Smash Burger. So good. It comes with fries. Mwah. And the French toast was so good that I would eat it by itself. Like, it was great. And the texture, you guys need to try it. 10 out of 10. The only thing is like the patty, the seasoning, there's like a little, there's something about it that I'm not a huge fan of. So maybe I give it like an 8.5, but it's still pretty good. Here, Talia and I are talking and getting ready. We're heading to Five Islands with some friends, so you'll see. We had a time. I'll take this any day.
Like, we can fix this.
Really no, but hair not looking good before we go. It's a different type of pain.
Listen,
Different type of pain.
let me tell you something. If these engines don't work the way it should, I will go back home. I mean, like, it was nice to meet you, Sarah's grandmommy.
Yeah, time to go.
I'll just stick to this side, and that's okay.
Right, because are they going to see both sides of you at the same time? No.
Exactly, because why are you inspecting me like that? And, like,
Immediately, yeah.
she already looks like she's gonna flail out. Just look at me this way, like I'm a two-dimensional object.
One side at a time, please. This
Yeah.
one? Yeah. This one?
Don't.
No? Same. Not two at the same time.
Is the fit giving? Was it given? I didn't ask
It was
you.
given. Oh.
Oh, then I like it. I thought.
That girl stayed asking questions and she couldn't hear us.
I thought you said no. I'm sorry, guys.
No one asked you.
I asked them and I thought they said no, girl. They're not.
You're not messing with it. You're like, oh, what do you mean?
Yeah. I'm at peace.
Do you want highlight for the nose?
Yeah. Hold on. I'm gonna pull her down a bit because I need to be modest. But you need to start acting like your hair. Come over.
Be present.
Like,
be mindful.
Do something. Do something. Okay, we'll work with that for now.
So it was?
It was great. I was an expert. I was doing spins and cartwheels. No one could keep up.
Huh?
No one could keep up.
Of course, of course. Ah, what's the comments?
Hi guys, almost lost my life. Time of that 5:03. 23. What time is it? 5:35. Close enough. Sarah and I are gonna make one more round together, holding hands like this.
Ben, one more round.
Dang, she didn't even wait.
Yeah.
I completely forgot we were supposed to come back around. We're supposed to come back around together. I feel so bad, but yeah.
How much are it's totally true. If I get a flower, they got job, the job. I'll interview. I thought it was the first time.
First time, it's not really my first time. It's not my second time.
I should see the first time for the camera because the clips. The clips. Take three. Is it your first time?
Yes.
No hesitation. have to say? Sarah keeps what?
Huh?
Sarah keeps what?
Bouncing me like if I'm not gonna win.
Exactly.
Wow. If I had a little like that,
Anything.
Mind you, she said to that night.
Yeah.
Guys, at the end of the day, rate the day. What were we rating there?
10.
10? Yeah.
It was good.
It was a good day. Eat? No, it was.
Make my day though.
Yeah, the Uno was good.
The Uno was good.
Yeah.
The Uno, the go-kart thing.
Oh yeah, the go-karts.
Go-kart.
roller
Skating
skating.
was fun.
Roller skating was
Jacket
good.
pie is my favorite.
No.
Uno, silent Uno was my least favorite.
Look outside here.
Everybody here targeted me except for you and your crews.
We went too far.
Here, Shola literally, I think she texted me that day and she was like, she wants to go to Fridays because Fridays was having like a 2 for 200 on burgers, right? So she was like, she wants to go. I was like, say no more. So I got ready and then headed over there. We had a good time. We went there and then we ended up going to Eastgate Mall after that. We walked around a little bit. I'm pretty sure I bought like a blueberry muffin. There's a ice cream store upstairs in Eastgate Mall. I can't remember the name honestly, but it's near Vogue. It's near Vogue. It's located on the 2nd floor, or if you count floors like ground, first, second, then it's on the 1st floor. Okay, so I didn't have a lot of footage from this day, but my friends and I were watching the Champions League finals. It was cool. Real Madrid versus Dortmund. Real Madrid won. And so we had a good time. We watched it in Avala. I want to say it's Avala. We watched it in Avala, and then after that, we decided to go to Brentwood Mall for food and just to vibe and stuff like that. So it was fun. We went across there. We got some food. We sat and we talked. And yeah, it was really nice. We watched the sunset. Gorgeous. Chef's kiss. We went to Freebird for brunch. You do need to call ahead, I believe. I believe it is reservation only. So my family already called ahead. We got there. So it's a brunch situation. I think you ordered 3 entrees. Okay, so here Shola, Shania, and myself went to get our nails done at this nail salon slash spa because they also have waxing and stuff as well. But yeah, so we went to try it out just in Tunapuna. I put the Instagram handle there for you guys. My nails were super cute. I loved them. That was such a cute pink, and the gems on the end, so cute. So yeah, we ended up, going there, having a bit of a girls' day. It was nice. Okay, so here Shade had the brilliant idea to go to Macqueripe, so we ended up doing just that. My friends and I, we did a little road trip. We met up at UE. And then we drove down to Macqueripe. It was amazing. The water was pretty clear that day. Loved it. You'll see the fish. It was chef's kiss. Alright, made it to the beach. So Sade's ideas. Show love here to the boys and friends. Whoa!
Yeah, you went there.
We decided to go to Food Square, I believe it's called, on the avenue for lunch. I had food from the pork food truck. I don't want to say the name, like, because it's a play on a local word. No, I'm not gonna say the name, but it tasted good. It tasted good. Just look for a food truck that has like pork-based items. You get it, yeah. You get it. But it's great. They had a bunch of things in there though. They had Just Juice. I believe they had like a taco place. They had churros, pizza place, pasta place. So whatever you like, honestly, you can go in there and try it. Chef's kiss. My food was chef's kiss. I think everybody in the car liked their food though, so yeah. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and look out for future content.
Chill out, chill out.